Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing curry rice. Now you can see I have some white rice here washed. Here I have a pack of curry. Now I'm gonna show you the process how I done my curry rice. Now I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna tip a little oil in it. Now I'm gonna add my curry. Stir it, let it burn. Now I'm gonna add my garlic. Keep burning it. Now I'm gonna add some green and yellow bell pepper. Some people know it as sweet pepper. Stir. Now I'm gonna add some fresh chopped scallion. Stir it up. Now I'm gonna add this as fresh thyme. Now I'm gonna add some water. Now the water is in. Now I'm gonna add a piece of butter, some chicken seasoning, some powder jerk seasoning, some black pepper, some salt for a taste, then I'm gonna add a green pepper and give it a stir. And then you're just gonna leave this to cook. Now it's cooked and now it's boiling up. Now I'm gonna put in my rice. Now my rice is in. Now I'm gonna stir it up. Now I stir up my rice. Now I'm gonna leave it to cook. And see, my curry rice is now finished. And here, my curry rice is now finished. See it, Lord? See it, guys? Shelly. See it? Shelly. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you. My curry rice with some French fried chicken in barbecue sauce and tomato and raw veg. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you can be the first to know. Tell a friend to please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.